I want to speak generally this evening about this issue of athletes and sportsmen and sportswomen and their loyalty to their respective teams. And we're talking about professional teams. We're not talking about people representing their country. Loyalty and patriotism take on greater credence when it comes to people representing them country. But when it comes to professional sports, such as a sprinter at a professional club, a footballer at his or her professional club, a basketballer or a T20 cricketer on a franchise team, how much loyalty should these players have to their respective clubs? I would suggest as much loyalty as these clubs have for these players, which is basically none. In real terms, these athletes sell their talents or rent their talents to the highest bidder, like all other professionals do. That is how the economy of the world sustains itself, and sport is no different. So when you see players celebrating and saying how much they love the fans of this club, don't feel too special. If another club comes along with a bigger offer, that same player will immediately start loving another set of fans. So make me keep it real. The issue of loyalty between athletes and professional clubs, either way, is highly overrated. It's all about expediency and not loyalty.